This Japanese curry udon is the perfect comfort dish made with thick udon noodles coated in a glossy and mildly spicy curry flavoured dashi soup. You need a large pot to make your soup. Preheat it on medium with about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and then add 150 grams of thinly sliced pork belly. I'm using scissors to cut it into bite-sized pieces so that the meat will distribute more evenly through the soup. Fry until it's browned on both sides. You could also use different meat if you prefer, but the mild sweetness of the pork fat adds extra depth and flavour to the soup, so I prefer to use pork. Once it's browned, add 500 ml of dashi stock, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and bring it to a boil. While I wait, I'm going to make a curry flavoured slurry with 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, and 5 tablespoons of cold water. Mix it until it's smooth. I'm using my homemade curry spice mix for this, and you can find the recipe on my blog. Otherwise, just use your favourite curry spice mix. If you want Japanese style, check out S&B Oriental curry powder. Once your broth is bubbling, reduce the heat to a simmer and gradually pour in the curry slurry while whisking continuously. I use a whisk to ensure there are no lumps. When that's all incorporated, increase the heat back to medium and add your other ingredients. I'm using 50 grams of Japanese leeks, 2 sheets of sliced tofu pouches, 50 grams of sliced shiitake mushrooms, and 8 slices of kamaboko fish cakes. You can customize the soup with any of your favorite vegetables. I add the tofu and kamaboko because they are typical udon ingredients, and I like to keep the essence of udon in the dish, but of course, you can leave them out if you can't get them. I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, but if you decide to use vegetables that need longer cooking, such as carrots or onions, feel free to add them a bit earlier before the slurry, so that they have time to soften up. Use these 10 minutes to boil a pot of water and start cooking your udon so that the noodles and soup are ready at the same time. After 10 minutes, your soup should look thick and glossy like this. Take it off the heat and let it dish up. Divide your drained udon noodles into serving bowls, then pour a generous amount of soup on top. Sprinkle it with some chopped green onions and some Japanese chili powder called shiitake togarashi. And that's it, warm, comforting and delicious Japanese curry udon. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. If you want the written version of this recipe, you can find it on my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you're interested in more noodle videos, check out the noodle playlist on the screen too. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.